Okay, good morning class 9. Today our topic is river basin. What is river basin? River basin is an area of land drained by rivers and its tributaries and distributaries. Now what is distributaries? That we will read further here. Okay, first you understand river basin. River basin sends all the water that is falling within it to a central river, which goes and falls into the ocean. River basins have some features. If I want to show you the picture, I think you will understand what I am talking. Okay, now here the river basin starts from the source. The glacier, the source of the river. So here is the source, the glacier. When it starts coming to the land, it starts, watershed is starting. Then when it is coming down, some more glaciers is melting and coming and joining this main river, and this are known as tributary. Here catchment basin is forming nearby. Then meanders are forming because the rivers are taking different turns, so these turns are known as meanders. Somewhere even the oxbow lakes occurs because of these meanders. They are leaving the main path and they are taking the new route. When they come forward near the mouth of the river, ocean, where it is known as mouth, they are, due to the deposition of the silt, the river makes small distributaries. Small parts are coming out, though that is known as distributary. And sometimes this like triangle shapes are formed, which is known as delta, or estuary also formed, and it comes, this is the mouth where it is coming and meeting the ocean. Now let's start. Source is the place from where the river starts. Tributaries, those are small rivers which are flowing into the large river. From the glaciers, might be they are coming down. Watershed or water divide is a ridge of highland dividing two areas that are drained by different rivers systems, from which streams flow down the slopes on both sides of the and start their journey towards the ocean. They are coming from all sides and they start moving that side. Then is confluence. What is confluence? Where a river joins to another river, that is known as confluence. Next is mouth. Mouth is the place where the river meet with the sea or ocean or lakes. A river basin is the source region of the mountains or plateau regions, and that is known as catchment basin or catchment area. Interflow, it is the region of higher land between two rivers. Which is part of the same drainage system between two tributaries of the same main river, that is known as Doab, like Ganga and Yamuna Doab. Courses of river, it is the route through which the river is flowing to the mouth. Example is the Ganga river, that is starting from Gomukh ice cave to in the Gangotri glacier and to the Bay of Bengal in the mouth. So the area from where it is flowing is known as course. Now here is a diagram. See, starting in the exam, if river basin is coming and if you have to get good numbers, then please draw this diagram writing this parts. Then you will get good number. Try to write everything with diagram. Again, repeatedly I am telling you. This much only I will do, as everybody don't have book. So you listen it properly and you will get the things. Now here more small questions are there. That is Amazon River. of South America, that is the largest river basin in the world. Keep it in mind, it is the world's largest river. Whereas Ganga is the largest river basin in India. Now Ganga, the largest river basin in India. Okay, these are for short questions. I think it is okay. Thank you.